AI jobs that are hiring right now. AI isn't just changing existing jobs, it's also creating demand for people who can build, manage, test, and apply AI inside real businesses. And here's the interesting part. You don't necessarily need to become a machine learning researcher to benefit from this shift. Recent 2026 research from PwC, based on more than 1 billion job advertisements across 27 countries, found that jobs requiring specific AI skills are growing much faster than the overall jobs market. It also found that employers are placing greater value on skills like judgment, creativity, leadership, and adaptability alongside technical AI skills. So, what kinds of AI jobs are companies actually looking for? Let's count down 7 roles worth watching right now. Number 7, AI content specialist. An AI content specialist helps businesses use AI to create, organize, and improve content. That could mean helping a marketing team generate ideas, creating drafts, researching topics, improving product descriptions, preparing social media content, or using AI tools to speed up repetitive writing tasks. The important part is that this isn't simply about typing prompts into a chatbot. Companies still need someone who understands their audience, checks the AI's work, maintains quality, and makes sure the final content sounds accurate and human. That makes communication skills extremely valuable. You may not need advanced programming for many content-focused positions. Instead, useful skills include writing, research, editing, AI tool knowledge, and basic marketing. A beginner could start by building a small portfolio. For example, create sample product descriptions, marketing campaigns, articles, or social media plans using AI, and then show how they improved the results. Salary varies significantly depending on the exact position and experience, so don't treat any online salary figure as a guarantee. And here's where things get more interesting. Because the next job isn't primarily about creating content, it's about making AI actually work inside a business. Number 6, AI automation specialist. Imagine a company receives hundreds of customer messages every day. Employees manually sort them, copy information into spreadsheets, send follow-up emails, and update different systems. An AI automation specialist looks at that workflow and asks, what parts of this process can be automated? They might help connect AI tools with business software, design automated workflows, organize information, or create systems that reduce repetitive work. This role can be attractive because businesses aren't interested in AI simply because it's trendy. They want results. If AI can save employees hours of repetitive work or help a company respond to customers faster, there's a clear business reason to invest in it. For beginners, useful skills can include AI tools, workflow thinking, spreadsheets, basic APIs, automation platforms, and eventually some programming. You don't have to master everything at once. Start by learning how a business process works, identify repetitive tasks, and learn how technology can improve them. The important distinction is that automation specialists solve business problems. They don't simply play with AI tools. And that leads directly to another emerging role. Number 5, AI trainer or AI evaluator. This is one of the more unusual careers on our list. AI systems need people to evaluate their responses. Is the answer accurate? Is it relevant? Does it follow instructions? Is the reasoning useful? Does the response contain an obvious mistake? Human feedback can help organizations evaluate and improve AI systems. Some roles may involve reviewing text, ranking responses, checking data, following detailed guidelines, or providing specialized feedback. Requirements vary dramatically. Some projects may be accessible to people with strong language or subject matter skills, while others require technical expertise. The work can also be contract-based rather than a traditional permanent job, so applicants should carefully check the terms of any opportunity. And don't confuse this with simply getting paid to use ChatGPT. Professional AI evaluation requires consistency, attention to detail, and the ability to judge AI output against specific standards. Now we're moving toward jobs that can require significantly more technical knowledge. Number 4, data and AI analyst. Businesses have enormous amounts of data. Sales numbers, customer behavior, website activity, financial information, marketing results. The problem is that raw data doesn't automatically tell a company what to do. That's where analysts come in. A data or AI analyst may use tools to clean information, identify patterns, create reports, build dashboards, and help managers make better decisions. AI can speed up parts of this process, but human judgment is still important. A useful starting skill set includes Excel or spreadsheets, SQL, data visualization, statistics, and increasingly AI assisted analysis. For someone interested in this path, a portfolio can be more useful than simply saying, I know AI. You could take a public data set, analyze it, create a dashboard, and explain what the numbers actually mean. That demonstrates a real ability to solve problems here. And their data skills aren't limited to AI companies. Banks, retailers, healthcare organizations, technology companies, manufacturers, and countless other businesses use data. But our next career moves much closer to the heart of AI development. Number three, machine learning engineer. This is where the technical requirements increase substantially. Machine learning engineers build and maintain systems that allow computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Their work can involve training models, evaluating performance, preparing data, writing software, and deploying machine learning systems. This is not usually a beginner job. You'll generally need strong programming and mathematics foundations, along with knowledge of machine learning and software engineering. Python is particularly important in many machine learning environments, and knowledge of data structures, algorithms, statistics, and machine learning frameworks can also be valuable. The upside is that this career sits directly inside the technical side of the AI industry. But don't make the mistake of thinking you need to become a machine learning engineer simply because AI is growing. There are other opportunities. And the next one connects technical AI with actual customers and business operations. Number two, AI implementation or AI solution specialist. Here's the problem many businesses face. They know AI is important. They've tested different tools, they've seen impressive demonstrations, but they don't know how to turn those demonstrations into something useful for their own company. An AI implementation specialist helps bridge that gap. They may work with a company to understand its workflow, identify where AI could help, configure or integrate AI systems, test the results, train employees, and monitor whether the solution is actually producing value. This role is especially interesting because it combines technology with communication and business knowledge. You don't necessarily need to invent a new AI model. You need to understand a business problem and figure out how technology can help solve it. That means skills like communication, project management, process analysis, AI tools, and basic technical knowledge can all matter. And there's a bigger trend behind this role. PwC's 2026 AI Jobs Barometer found that companies making greater use of AI are also seeing faster headcount and wage growth, suggesting that AI adoption isn't simply a story of companies replacing workers. It's also changing how companies operate and what skills they value. But there's still one job left. And if you're willing to learn serious technical skills, this could be one of the most powerful paths on the list. Number one, AI engineer. AI engineers build and deploy AI-powered applications and systems. They can work with large language models, machine learning systems, AI agents, data pipelines, APIs, software applications, and other AI technologies. Unlike some beginner-friendly AI roles, this career normally requires significant technical knowledge. Programming is important, so are software engineering, data handling, AI concepts, testing, and system design. But here's why the role is so interesting. Companies don't just need people who understand AI theoretically. They need people who can turn AI technology into working products. Recent 2026 labor market research shows strong growth in jobs requiring specific AI skills, while other research tracking AI ML postings has also reported thousands of open roles across companies. That doesn't mean every AI engineer opening is suitable for a beginner. It means there's a growing market for people who develop serious AI capabilities. So, which of these 7 jobs is right for you? If you're strongest at writing and communication, AI content work could be worth exploring. If you enjoy finding ways to make repetitive tasks easier, look into AI automation. If you're detail-oriented and interested in evaluating AI systems, AI evaluation could be worth investigating. If you enjoy numbers, data analysis could be a strong direction. If you want a highly technical career, machine learning engineering or AI engineering may be better long-term targets. And if you enjoy both technology and business, AI implementation could be especially interesting. The biggest lesson is this: Don't try to learn 7 careers at once. Pick one. Learn the fundamentals. Build a small portfolio, solve real problems, and keep improving. AI is changing the job market, but knowing how to use AI alone isn't a career. The valuable combination is AI skills plus a real world skill, whether that's programming, analysis, writing, marketing, design, business operations, or communication. And that's exactly why the people who learn to work with AI may have opportunities that didn't exist a few years ago. If you want more videos about AI jobs, online earning, business, and the future of work, subscribe and watch the next video.